Hey there, welcome back. Let's continue our journey and try to remove this 5000 ugly port. I really don't like it. I am inside the terminal and let's try to verify our application is running perfectly. Yeah, it's perfectly running. Now let's try to install a new software inside our computer, and that is Nginx. So just type sudo apt install Nginx. It will ask you to enter a Y or N. Y for yes and for no. So just make sure you type Y and then press enter or return button if you are on Mac. It will install Nginx on your system. I have already installed it, so don't you worry on that, that's very easy. So once it's installed, just type sudo systemctl and just type start Nginx. It didn't say anything. Well, that means it ran. Sudo systemctl status Nginx. Okay, the status is running. That means our Nginx is running all right. Perfect. Now let's try to remove this 5000 port and see what we see. Welcome to Nginx, but let's disable my dark mode. Perfect. It's welcome to Nginx. Nginx was installed successfully. Now I want to do something that if I go to this IP address, I want to see my server responding. I don't want to mention that port. So let's do it. Okay. Control L, CD, etc, then Nginx, then sites available. That's it. Let's go to this directory and type ls. We will have a file called default. Great. You're already familiar with nano, so just type nano and then default. You'll have so many other things here. Don't get nervous or confused. It's pretty okay. It's just normal. Everything as you see here. If you see any hash here, that means it's commented. In programming, we use double slash, remember, for commenting the things. In Nginx or any config file, we use hash. So, yep. Now, inside this location, I want to write some things so that whenever I access my IP address, it doesn't show me that Nginx page that we just saw. It should show me that server is responding. I don't want to see this. So let me share the config with you so that you just write it over here. All right, let's comment this line because we don't need this. So just comment it. Okay. Enter and press tab on your keyboard and paste this config. It will be under video description or maybe in the first comment. So just copy this, or you can write it, it's not too much. But Let's see, it's not aligned properly. So let's go to the beginning and just press tab. Why it is red? I'll leave it. Ignore this. Okay, it's aligning. You see, it's 8001 the port, but our port is 5000. So let's just change it. Oh, 5000. And just press Ctrl O. It will ask to write, just press enter or return button. It wrote, Ctrl X. Let's try to verify what it says. Oh, by the way, we did some changes inside Nginx, so we have to restart Nginx so that the changes take in place. System ctl restart Nginx. Cool. Now it should be up and running. Let's see what it said. Oh man, it's Brace. It's Brace. See, we just mentioned our IP address. Nothing more, nothing less. Just the IP address, and it worked like anything. Now, let me verify this and close this tab. And click on a new tab and just paste the IP address, and that's it. It's up and running. What about connecting the domain? We will definitely do it in the next video. As of now, we have removed this ugly port. No one is going to just click on the port once they mention maybe mywebsite.com, and then please, I request you, I beg you to just enter the port also. No one does that. So we will be fixing this issue in the later video. Why?